get ready, Apple fans, because Siri is finally getting the glow-up it desperately needed, and this time, Google is lending a hand. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple plans to roll out its long-delayed Siri makeover in March 2026 with iOS 26.4 powered by custom Google Gemini models. After missing multiple deadlines, Apple's betting big on Google's AI model to make Siri smarter, faster, and finally competitive enough for ChatGPT. Unlike Apple's current ChatGPT, which shares data with OpenAI, the Gemini-powered Siri will run entirely on Apple's private cloud compute servers. That means user requests will stay secure and private and will be processed on Apple's hardware for maximum safety. The new Siri will use Gemini for planning and summarizing. This partnership is a big deal because Apple's own in-house models have struggled to match competitors. And now, Google's Gemini, which topped iPhone app downloads in September 2025, is offering the edge Apple needs without compromising on privacy. Gurman says that while the Siri redesign has faced repeated delays, it's still on track for next spring, now alongside iOS 26.4. Apple isn't expected to flaunt its Gemini partnership and keep it under the Apple Intelligence brand. But for users who've long watched Siri lag behind Google Assistant and ChatGPT, this could be the moment the personal assistant finally catches up. March 2026 better come sooner for Apple owners to see Siri stepping up after a long time. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.